everyone, this is Happy Family SD the group. Today I bring an injector for you. The injector part number is OR-8463 for caterpillars. The injector have many interchange numbers. You can see in the subtitles. The package is a little packet. And let us see the weight. The weight is 0.8 kg. Let me open the box.